When we talk about learning what you don't know, where can you go? So one of the options that I want to share with you today is using Instagram even on a desktop. I don't know if you've jumped on Instagram recently or if you've used it on a desktop, as I've got here behind me anytime recently. However, you can put in hashtags at the top like the one I've already got loaded, Harvey Tool, and when it loads, it'll tell you 3,120 posts, but then you can see everything they're tagged in. Now, you will sometimes get unrelated things, like these painted sneakers or baby in a soother. However, a lot of the time, what you'll end up seeing is slotting and different applications where the tools have been used and the results they got. So not only are you exposing yourself to different ideas, but you're also exposing yourself to different results shared around the world, allowing you to partner with your supply chain, connecting your network to your net worth and helping you grow. And then when you see ideas here, you can work with your local rep to get the right tools, set yourself up on that guaranteed trial offer so that you don't have to pay a penny out of pocket, just invest a little bit of spindle time. Now, there's static photos. You'll also notice there's some great little videos. And there is, oh my God, look at this, 20,000 holes in Macerite with a 3 thou drill. Smaller than your average human hair that comes in between 3.5 thou and 4 thou. And they're just going to town. 20,000 holes. And there's so much more available for you for free at your fingertips. Whether you're on your smartphone or you're at the desktop, whatever that looks like, you can tap in and benefit from the experience coming from around the world. From program to production parts, there we go. Making those slots to all of the port work that you can manage on your 5-axis. Oh, that's a sweet overlay with the Mastercam. And here's a nice combination of a 50,000 RPM air turbine spindle on a Haas VM2, of course, with Harvey Tool. Wow. So keep your spindles turning and earning.